Hello, good evening to all of you. We are going to start our session for today. I hope you all are doing well. And let's start our session. All right. Okay, then I'm going to start a new book today. That is Movers Book 2. So first of all, we are going to do reading and writing part 1. So write the topic as reading and writing part 1. හැමෝම topic එක ලියන්න reading and writing part 1 කියලා. Okay, so first of all, we are going to read the words. So you know in part 1, we have 6 sentences. We should read the sentence and choose the answer from this side. හැමෝම read කළා මේ පැත්තෙන් answer එක choose කරගන්න තියෙන්නේ. Okay. Look and read, choose the correct word and write them on the lines. There is one example. One example එකක් තියෙනවා පුතේ. First of all, we will read the words. First one is a bank. So here you can deposit and also withdraw money. Deposit කරන්න පුළුවන්, තැන්පත් කරන්න පුළුවන් සහ ආපසු ගන්න පුළුවන්. B. The second one is a zoo. A zoo is the place that most of the animals live and we can go there and see them. අපිට යාලට ගිහිල්ලා යාලව බලන්න අපිට හැකියාව තියෙනවා. Next one, stairs. We use this to go up and down. Up and down යන්න පාවිච්චි කරනවා අපි පුතේ stairs. Next one is the basement. Basement කියන්නේ පුතේ මෙන්න මේ පහළ කොටසට. building එකක පහළ කොටසට මෙන්න මේ කොටසට කියනවා අපි basement කියලා. That is a basement. Next one is a lift. Lift කියන්නේ මොකද්ද? අපිට මේකේ උඩට සහ පහළට යන්න පුළුවන්. Very easy for us. ඒක easy කරනවා උඩට සහ පහළට යන්න. Not like stairs. Stairs නම් අපි ටිකක් මහන්සියෙන් යන්න ඕනේනේ. So here it is not much harder. ගොඩක් අපහසු නෑ lift එකේ යන්න. Next one is a library. Library is where this is the place you can borrow books and also you can
read the books.
Yes, we can borrow all the books that we need. නේද? අපිට අවශ්‍ය books making මොකද කරන්න පුළුවන්? Borrow කරගන්න පුළුවන්. Next on a cinema. What we can do when we go to the cinema? We can watch a movie. නේද? අපිට movie එකක් බලන්න පුළුවන් cinema එකට ගියාට පස්සේ. Next one, balcony. Balcony කියන්නේ පුතා මෙන්න මේ උඩ කොටස උඩට නැගලා මෙන්න මේ වගේ පොඩි space එකක් තියෙනවා. අනේ කොටසට කියනවා balcony කියලා. So that is that means සඳලු තලය. සිංහලෙන් කියනවා අපි කියනවා සඳලු තලය කියලා. So we'll go through the example first. Example එක මුලින් බලමු අපි. This place has lots of money in it. This place has lots of money in it. මේ place එකේ සල්ලි ගොඩාක් තියෙනවා.
Bank.
Yes, it's
Bank.
a bank. Yes, well done. It's a bank. So we are going to start from question number 1. So you have written reading and writing part 1 and put 6 numbers.
Teacher. Excuse me, teacher.
Yes.
We don't want to write, no? Still?
No, you don't want to write the sentences. Put the number and write the answers for each question. Okay. So look at this. These are the pictures. You can see the pictures here.
Okay.
So the sentence. Read the sentence. Everybody read the sentence. This
can
take you
take
to
you
the top
for
floor
quickly. This can take you to the top floor quickly. Quickly. ඒ කියන්නේ
lift.
වේගයෙන් නේද? වේගයෙන් යන්න පුළුවන් නම් නේද? ඉක්මනින් යන්න පුළුවන් නම් මොකද අපිට පාවිච්චි කරන්න ඕන පුතේ? ඉක්මනට යන්න නම් උඩට.
Lift.
Yes, we want to use the lift. Very good. ඉක්මනට යන්න ඕන නම් අපි මොකක්ද පාවිච්චි කරන්න පුතේ? We want to use a lift. All right, then let's try the word lift. අපි lift කියලා ලියමු. All right, next on. Let's move to the next on. This room is under. Now questions ලියන්නේ නැහැ. Answer එක විතරයි ලියන්න පුතේ because it takes much time to copy down the sentences. Copy කරන්න ගියොත් ලොකු වෙලාවක් යනවා. Okay, this room is under a house. House එකක පහළ කොටසලු පුතේ මේක තියෙන්නේ. What is it? House එකේ පහළ තියෙනවා නම් මොකද අපි කියන්නේ? Yes,
A basement.
yes, a basement.
A
Good answer is a
basement.
basement. All right, next sentence. On ඊළඟ sentence එක read කරන්න පුතේ. You can read කරන්න. You can walk.
You
Up.
can walk up or down this.
Yes, you can go up or down with this. What is it? Stairs. Then write the answer as stairs.
Teacher, I can see you.
All right, now can you hear me?
Yes.
All right, we'll move to the next question. ඊළඟ question එකට යමු පුතේ. We'll move to the next one. You can go and see a film.
Nama.
You can go and see the film here. What is the place? That is a cinema. Then write the answer as cinema. Cinema. Next on, you can read books in this place, but you can't buy them. Read කරන්න පුළුවන් පුතේ. හැබැයි ඔයාලට buy කරන්න බෑ. Yes, what is it? It's a library. Library. Very good. Answer should be a library. Last one, you can go and see a lot of animals here. Animals ला බලන්න කොහෙද පුතේ අපි යන්නේ? To a zoo නේද?
A zoo.
Zoo කියන්නේ මොකක්ද?
Zoo.
Satu
Zoo?
watta.
Zoo means sattu atta. Very good. Zoo. Then write the word zoo for the last question. All right, I hope you all have finished writing answers. So let's move to the part 2. Then we part 2 eකට move වෙමු.
Okay.
This is part 2. මේ තියෙන්නේ part 2 එක. දැන් මේ තියෙන්නේ පුතේ picture එක. So here look at the picture and write yes or no. You have two examples. There are two children in the picture. Yes, look at the picture. There are two children. Then 1 and 2. There's a boy and a girl. Answer is yes. The boy is
Yes.
eating. Is the boy eating? Is the boy eating?
No.
No, he's not eating. So answer is no. Here, what you want to do is you want to read the sentence and write yes or no. හැමෝම අහගන්න. මේ sentence එක read කරලා yes or no ද කියලා answer එක දාන්න තියෙන්නේ. Okay, I am going to give you a few minutes. Everybody should read it and write yes or no. හැමෝම yes ද no ද කියලා answer කරන්න මේකට. Okay? Right, let's start. Have you finished?
I have finished.
All right, are you ready?
Yes. Yes. I am finished.
Okay, let's move to the next one. Okay, let's discuss the answers. So here there is a monster. There is a monster in the small bookcase. Small bookcase එකේ මොකක්ද ඉන්නවා කියන්නේ? මොකක්ද ඉන්නවා කියන්නේ පුතේ?
Yes.
No.
Answers දෙන්න.
No, noද බලන්න monster කෙනෙක් නැද්ද කියලා?
Yes.
Yes, there is a monster. මේ ඉන්නේ monster කෙනෙක් ඉන්නව නේද පුතේ? Then answer should be yes. Answer should be yes. All right, next one. The girl is eating a sandwich and writing in her book. Is the girl eating a sandwich? Girl eat කරන්නේ sandwich එකක්ද? No, that is a watermelon. නැහැ, ඒක watermelon එකක් තමයි යා කන්නේ. So answer is no. Next one. Two monsters are sleeping next to the sofa. Two monsters are sleeping next to the sofa. Are there two monsters sleeping?
No.
No, only one monster. So what is the
No.
answer? No. Here also you should write the answer as no.
No.
Next one monster is taking off its shoes. Look at this here, taking off its නේද? එයාගේ සපත්තු ගලවනවා. එහෙනම් මොකද දාන්නේ පුතේ අපි එතනට? answer එක yes. Answer is yes. The next one, the boy is sitting at the desk by the wall. Yes. Wall එක ළඟ desk එකේ ඉඳගෙන ඉන්නවා. Answer එක yes. Answer is yes. Next one. Boy කෙනෙක් වාඩි වෙලා ඉන්නවා table එක wall එක ළඟ. The thinnest monster has got curly hair. කෙට්ටුම monster ට තියෙන්නේ curly hair ලු පුතේ. Yes or no? Yes. That is also yes. එයාටත් curly hair තියෙන්නේ. එයා තමයි කෙට්ටුම එක්කෙනා. So answer is yes. All right, let's move to part 3. Part 3 එකට move වෙමු පුතා. This is part 3. So let's move to part 3. All right, then look at this. This is part 3. My name is Jill. What's yours? මගේ name එක Jill. ඔයාගේ නම මොකක්ද? So answer A, Peter. B, what's yours? C, fine, thanks. What is the answer? Answer is Peter. Answer is Peter. So you should circle letter A. Circle letter A. Okay. Right. Now we are going to start from question number 1. Then on question number 1 එකේ ඉඳන් start කරන්න තියෙන්නේ පුතේ. So let's start it. අපි start කරමු බලන්න හැමෝම. You can do it alone. I will check the answers. Then බලන්න ඔයාලා try කරන්න ඕනේ හැමෝම තනියම කරන්න.
Can you help me with the Can you help me with these bags, please?
Yes, can you help me with these bags please? මට මේ bags අරන් යන්න උදව් කරන්න පුළුවන්ද? So answer A, can you? Answer B, thank you. Answer C, okay. So what is the answer you want to take there? Yes, what is the answer? Answer is very good. Answer is C, okay. Then let's write the answer in your book. හැමෝම පුතේ book එකේ write කරගන්න. Answer is okay. Answer is okay.
Read this.
Answer is okay.
Read this.
All right.
Question.
टीचर आप यो इन्होंने तेरा नहीं दे
Answer ka liya na pute.
First answer.
Question number 1 kila answer ka okay kila liya na. Then answer question 2. Question 2 එක තියෙන්නේ. Read කරන්න. Read and find the answer. Read and find the answer.
I went shopping with mommy. Okay, did you? Okay, are you? Oh, did. Oh, A. Teacher A.
Yes, tell me others. I went shopping with my mom. මං අම්මත් එක්ක shopping යනවා. ගියා. Went කියන්නේ ගියා.
A.
Oh, did you? ඔයා ගියාද? Oh, are you? ඔයා යනවද? Oh, did I? මම ගියාද? So what is the answer for this one? I went shopping with my mom. මම අම්මත් එක්ක shopping ගියා. එතකොට මොකද්ද පුතේ answer එක? Oh, did you? Very good. Oh, did you? Answer is oh, did you? Let's underline it. Answer A.
A. Finish, teacher.
Answer A. All right, let's start question 3.
Let's tell. Do you like shopping? I brought sweater. I like CD. Teacher C. Teacher C.
Yes, wait for the others also. Write down the answers in your book. Do you like shopping? ඔයා shopping යන්න කැමතිද කියලා අහන්නේ. Do you like shopping? Shopping යන්න කැමතිද? I bought a sweater. මම sweater එකක් ගත්තා. I would like a CD. මම කැමති CD එකකට. Yes, I did. Sorry, yes, I do. Oh, මම කැමති. So what is the answer? Your answer is correct. What is the answer? Yes, I do. Yes, I do. The answer is C. Yes, I do. Now try the question number 4.
What did you do this morning? I played basketball. I played basketball. I play in basketball. A. Teacher A.
No, did you කිව්වොත් past tense එකෙන් පුතෙන් අහන්නේ ඔයා උදේ සෙල්ලම් කළාද? කළාද කියලා අහන්නේ. එතකොට කළාද කියලා ඇහුවොත්
B.
answer should be in past form. Past form එකෙන් ඉන්න ඕනේ answer එක. So what is the answer? මම සෙල්ලම් කරනවා
B.
කියන්න බෑ.
Answer B.
Answer B. මම
Answer B.
සෙල්ලම් කළා. එහෙනම් answer එක මොකද්ද පුතා? What is the answer? Answer
B.
is B. I played basketball. I played basketball. You all have to write down the answers. Copy කරගන්න ඕනේ හැමෝම answers ටික පුතා. Okay, next one. I love basketball. මම කැමති basketball වලට. So, මොකද answers තුනෙන් එන්න ඕනේ? Why not? ඇයි නැත්තේ? Yes, it's a good game. ඔව් ඒක හොඳ game එකක්. It's very well. ඒක වඩා හොඳයි. So, what is the answer?
It's very well. C.
Yes, I love basketball. Answer is C. Yes, it's very well. ඔව් ඒක වඩා හොඳයි. මේක ගොඩක් හොඳයි කියලා ලියන්න ඕනේ පුතේ. Then answer is yes, it's very well.
Finish.
All right, last question. This is question number 6. Okay, now tell me what is the answer for this. Can I play with you? මට ඔයත් එක්ක සෙල්ලම් කරන්න පුළුවන්ද? Can I play with you? Yes, you can. Now what පුළුවන්? Can you පුළුවන්ද? Yes, I can play. Oh, මට play කරන්න පුළුවන්. So what is the answer for that one? Yes.
Yes, you can.
Yes, can I play with you? ඔයත් එක්ක play කරන්න පුළුවන්ද? Yes, you can. Oh, ඔයාට පුළුවන්. Answer is A.
Finish.
Answers ලියාගත්තද පුතේ ඔක්කොම?
Oh. Teacher listening.
All right. Others, what about the others? Have you all finished? හැමෝම ඉවරද ලියලා?
Yes. Yes, teacher. Yes, teacher.
All right, next one is part 4. Part 4 පුතේ. Part 4 කියලා topic එක ලියා ගන්න පුතා හැමෝම. Right, these are the words you want to use as the answers. මෙතනට පුතේ answers හැටියට use කරන්න ඕනේ මෙන්න මේ words වලින් තමයි. එතකොට මොකද කරන්නේ? හැමෝම මුලින්ම මේ words ටික refer කරන්න ඕනේ. First one is island. Island means දූපත that's surrounded with water. Water වලින් වට වෙලා තමයි තියෙන්නේ. Next one, parrots. Parrots කියන්නේ කවුද පුතේ? ගිරව්. Parrots කියන්නේ ගිරව්.
Girav.
Next one, rained. Rained කියන්නේ වැස්සා. Rained කියන්නේ වැස්සා. Sunny, හොඳින් ඉර පෑයූ නේද? හොඳින් ඉර පෑයූ. Plants කියන්නේ පුතේ කුඩා පැලවලට අපි කියනවා plants කියලා. So answer is plant. Sorry, word is plants. Next one, waved. Waved කියන්නේ අත වැනුවා. නෑ පුතේ. වනනවා නැත්තම් වැනුවා. Past tense එක වැනුවා. අත වැනුවා කියලා කියනවා ඊට පස්සේ. Right, next one, truck. Truck කියන්නේ lorry නේද? Truck means lorry. Next one, camera. මොකද පුතේ camera කියන්නේ? Camera? Cameraව නැත්නම් oh yes, cameraව. Next one is afraid. Afraid means මොකද්ද? Afraid කියන්නේ මොකද්ද පුතේ? බය වුණා. All right. Okay, එහෙනම් අපි දැන් answers ලියමු. I'm not going to help you. මම දැන් help කරන්නේ නැහැ. අපි මුලින් ඔයාගේ answers ටික දාමු. Okay? හරි. answers ටික දාන්න බලන්න පුතේ හැමෝම. Numbers විතරයි දාන්නේ. Don't write the passage. Last week we went on holiday to an island. Island එකකට අපි නිවාඩු ගත කරන්න ගියා. Went means ගියා. In the morning, the weather was blank and hot. When it becomes hot, Puda. Hot වෙන්නේ කොයි වෙලාවටද? Yes, if it is sunny, නේද? Sunny නම් නේ. ඔව්, එහෙනම් හොඳට ඉර පායලා නම් තමයි පුතේ hot වෙන්නේ. So for the first one, answer should be sunny. So I will help you with the first one, then do the rest of the questions alone. තනියම කරන්න බලන්න අනිත් ටික.
Then
All right, let's move to the answers. Then මං හිතනවා හැමෝම answers ලියලා ඉවරයි නේද? Okay. Then hot and we went swimming in the sea. ගොඩාක් රස්න නිසා අපි sea එකට ගියා පීනන්න. Okay. In the afternoons, we did something different. On a හවස් වරුවේ ඒගොල්ලෝ වෙනස් දෙයක් කරා පුතේ. Because it often නිතරම මොකද උනේ? Yes, මොකද උනේ පුතේ? Often. Very good. Answer is rained. Often it rained. ඔන්න වහින්න ගත්තා. One afternoon, we went up the river to the jungle on a boat. On a jungle එකට ගියා පුතේ boat එකක නැගලා. There were some very tall trees. ගොඩාක් උස ගස් තිබුණලු. There we could see blank that flew in the trees. Yes,
Thailand.
Parrots. Very good. Answer is parrots. Parrots. Answer should be parrots. Answer should be parrots. Okay. Then I saw a long black snake under the leaves of some big plants too. Plants වල යට ලොකු මොකෙද්ද හිටියේ? Snake නේද? කළු පාට නායෙක්. I was blank but it didn't come near us. I was මොකද වෙන්නේ නායෙක් දැක්කහම පුතේ? Afraid means බය වෙනවා නේද? Afraid. then නායෙක් දැක්කහම බය වෙනවා. That is the answer. I saw some bats that ate fruits too. I took lots of great photos with my, what do you want to take? To take photos? Yes, camera. Answer should be camera. So last one is camera. Okay. Now you want to choose the best name for the story. Story එකට පුතේ හොඳම නම තෝරන්න තියෙන්නේ. A day at the zoo. Zoo එකේ ගත කරපු දිනයක්. A day on the beach. Beach එකේ ගත කරපු දිනයක්. A day in the jungle. So what is the answer for this?
A day in the jungle.
A day in the jungle. So you want to write this sentence. Put number 7 and write the sentence. Have you all written the sentence?
Yes.
Oh,
Okay.
A day in the jungle.
Right. Let's move to a listening part. Then අපි පුතේ listening part එකකට move වෙමු. So write the topic as listening part 1. Listening part 1 කියලා topic එක ලියාගමු අපි. That is listening part 1. All right.
this teacher.
Okay, now write down these questions in your book. Listening part 1 එකේ questions තමයි ලියන්න යන්නේ පුතේ අපි දැන්. Write down these questions පුතා ලියන්න. Don't talk. කතා කරන එක නවත්තන්න පුතේ.